So looking back on just that whole experience with water in the basement, having to call Thrasher out, I would not wish water in the basement for anybody. Like, I would not wish that experience on anybody. But Thrasher, they don't just want to sell a product and put a product in. They want to make sure that their customers are taken care of. And my wife and I, we felt taken care of by their thoroughness, by their professionalism, by their constant communication with us, from the sales call all the way to the end when we sold our house. Thrasher was a great company to work with. Very professional, very courteous, very helpful. Every time it rained, it was the question of, are we going to get water again? Are we going to have to rip up the carpet again? Are we going to have to move the boys out of their bedroom again? Are we going to have to not be able to use our basement at all? And so just knowing that we had those vulnerabilities in our foundation caused a lot of insecurity, I guess, every time it rained. And that's why we called Thrasher. They sent out one of their salesmen to come and just kind of show us what we needed. They walked us around the house, walked us around the basement. It felt so good to just have somebody talk to us and actually care for us, because they knew, hey, this is a big deal. This is your house. This is an investment. This is where your family lives. We want to help you. Once we had the system installed, it was every time it rained, I knew we were going to be okay. I knew that the water was going to go where it needed to go. And if something did come through, if water did come through again, I know I could call Thrasher and rely on that warranty that we had with that system to help us fix that problem. When we were getting ready to sell, we were having lots of rain, and we had that heavy snow in the winter, and so a lot of people in our neighborhood were having issues from the melting, water in their basement because of the melting. We didn't have one single drop. When we sold the house, one thing that was, a selling point to the buyer was the fact that the warranty was transferable. I know every situation's different. Every water in the basement situation is different. But I've always encouraged the friends that have had water in their basements to say, hey, give Thrasher a call at least. Hear them out, see what they have to offer. Thrasher is going to give you exactly what you need, and they're going to, in a way, hold your hand throughout the whole process, and you're going to be satisfied with that product at the end of the day.